Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. NZD USD seesaws around 0.6550 on mixed New Zealand trade numbers. http ntvforex.com news ID 08CB474 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. NZD USD keeps the 0.654452 range intact after marking the biggest gains in 1 week. New Zealand's July month trade balance recovered from $1.13 billion to $0.12 billion. Sino-American trade deal optimism favors the bulls to counter virus woes. NZD USD takes rounds to 0.6550 during Wednesday's initial Asian session. The Kiwi pair recently paid a little heed to July month's trade numbers from New Zealand. The reason could be traced from markets' wait for the week's key even, i.e. Jackson Hole Symposium, as well as no fresh insights from the risk front. Data matters less than the risk catalysts. For now, in New Zealand's trade balance eased from $475 million MOM to $282 million in July. Details suggest the imports grew more than $4.61 billion to $4.63 billion, but the exports dropped from $5.08 billion to $4.912 billion during the noted period. Despite mostly sluggish data, the Kiwi pair failed to react as traders await fresh push to extend the previous day's upbeat performance. The pair's biggest upside since August 18 took clues from the US-China trade deal dialogue that suggested a constructive talks and optimism ahead. The resulted positive mood could be ascertained in Wall Street's upbeat performance, with S&P 500 and Nasdaq's record high closings, as well as the 4.2 basis points BPS gains of the US 10-year Treasury yields. Though, the S&P 500 futures paused its latest run-up that pushed the risk barometer to the all-time high near 3,448 on Tuesday. It should be noted that the challenges to the US push for the coronavirus COVID-19 vaccine treatment and virus figures at home are factors that restrict the pair's upside moves. Also questioning the bulls is the market's cautious sentiment ahead of central banker's speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium. Considering the latest moves of the NZD-USD pair, the Australia and New Zealand banking group ANZ said, the USD DXY is neither rebounding nor turning lower, and is more likely just treading water ahead of tomorrow night's NZT Fed Chair Powell's speech on the Fed's monetary policy framework review, the outcome of which could have significant consequences for currency markets. We all know where the RBNZ's thinking is at, and that presents headwinds for the Kiwi. Meanwhile, today's US durable goods orders, expected 4.3% versus 7.6% prior, can offer intermediate moves. Technical analysis unless successfully breaking a 50-day SMA level around 0.6560, NZD USD buyers are likely to be convinced. As a result, the monthly low near 0.649085 and a falling trend line from August 12, at 0.6460 now, remain in the trader's eyes. Additional important levels overview today: last price 0.6547 today, daily change 0.0019 today, daily change percent 0.29 today, daily open 0.6528 NBSP trends daily SMA 20 0.6599 daily SMA 50 0.6555 daily SMA 100 0.6352 daily SMA 200 0.6374 NBSP levels: previous daily high 0.6565, previous daily low 0.6521, previous weekly high 0.6652, previous weekly low 0.6488, previous monthly high 0.6716, previous monthly low 0.644, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 0.6538 daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 0.6548 daily pivot point S1 0.6511 daily pivot point S2 0.6494 daily pivot point S3 0.6467 daily pivot point R1 0.6555 daily pivot point R2 0.6582 daily pivot point R3 0.6599 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, Text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.